So we're at Bauma 2025 in Munich in Germany again. Cubes and diamonds. Bit of sight lighting, mobile. Right.
You're looking around, you're not expecting
a cable ramp right there. Here's the important part where all the food and drink is. Start, which is A1. Which is all the cutting equipment, I do believe, and then work into A2 for survey, and we shall see how we get on. So now we fixed the flickering and the lights anyway. Rock. We're looking for one of these for the workshop. Met in this is after the fire show and here last time as well.
Wir haben jetzt auch so ein Thema, normalerweise Lots to see here. Lots. Way too much to cover. I wonder.
Little battery, there we go. Yeah, only demo batteries. Still low. Ja, still low. Some fun. There's some serious chainsaws for concrete. More on Hilti. This is a new Hilti range, I do believe. Right, sure.
I can take a picture of that. Okay. Do you want me to take both of your pictures?
This is an X-Brand. A lot of survey equipment in here, so some of the lads that gave it are in here. We'll have a look around. Well, I'm talking too low. You probably can't even hear me. Machine controls. Okay, I've come in at a steady door, so I have to work my way around again. Trimble stand. A little model setup.
Aquela menina que falou. Esse sistema aqui, esse cable aí, é Caterpillar padrão.
A machine controls the servo. Look at this side. Music. More virtual training. Really is the way to go these days. Hall 4 now, A4. Honda electric motors. Engines and parts. Where are we? Photo. Right. This is all. Lads, that's a fine engine.
Alright, Barry.
That's a sorry. They're not getting any further to me anyway. Deutz, Perkins, Cummins. Yeah, I think we might skip over to A5. 4560. Interesting. That is some lighting tower. Hybrid silenced. Yeah, I thought there was more batteries and jennies in here, but it's all kind of just more parts. We shall check the map. See, I knew there was more Pramac there. Pramac is here.
We've only just started these two, so we were doing 2 and 2. The plan is to weave our way back up.
So now we're in A6, at the end of the first row. Still a lot of parts, cabs, and hydraulics. Grand size bucket. Mighty size bucket. That's savage looking cab. That's B1. B1 now. It's more concreting and batch plants and stuff. This would appear. I can find cube molds that would be handy. Hydraulic press.
So grenzwertig, weil es war so ein Ding, wenn ich jetzt sage, so jetzt live.
Brick press. CO2 negative project brick press. Made in Germany. That's pretty cool. This unit's for palletized freight.
Yeah, it's loaded with an automatic working forklift.
Yep.
At a loading point A, and then the vehicle will drive to a destination point B and will be unloaded again.
What's
So-
its capacity?
2 pallets
Of what weight?
and 2.4 tons.
2.4 tons total.
Yeah. If you want to come over here, you can see the pallets there.
Yeah.
The pallets are inside, and if we're going to have a look at the screen, you can see the loading and unloading process in a minute.
Yeah.
And what we are doing at the moment, we are connecting on, yeah, you can see it there. Can you see?
Yeah.
Those are the automatic working forklifts. And they are taking the pallets, bringing it out, and then to a belt conveyor, or whatever the engine system looks like. And yeah, at the moment we are connecting private premises, maybe a production area with a shipping area, and if there need to be transferred, like, I don't know, 200, 300 pallets a day over a distance, maybe 700, 800 meters, this is what we are connecting at the moment.
Alright, so we're cut across the C1 because apparently B1 and C1 are linked for concreting. So we should have a quick wander here and then that'll be the end of day 1, I believe. Not that we see anything interesting. There is some amount of machinery. Well, that's the end of day 1. Day 1 in Bauma. There's a fair bit of walking. I've only been here half a day and I've already done about 15,000 steps.